Hi friends, welcome to the Hope Library Storytime. Did you know that some animals sleep all winter long during the day and night? It's called hibernation. And today we're going to talk about one of those animals, the bear. He hibernates in the winter. So when we get done with the story, you can go pick up a craft kit at the Hope Library and make a bear, like this one. In your craft kit, you'll have a cup of paint and a plate to paint on, but you're not going to use a paintbrush. You're going to use the fork to paint the paint on. It's kind of silly, but it's going to look like bear fur. And while the paint's still wet, you can put on the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. It'll stick right to the paint. You won't need any glue. So let's go ahead and read our story, Bear Snores On. And it is by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman, which means that she drew the pictures. Bear snores on. And every time you hear me say bear snores on, you can act like you're sleeping just like the bear. In a cave in the woods in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. He gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end.